Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you are all fine and stay at home. Before going to start our video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. It will help you a lot and you will get the notification of the new videos. So let's start, student. This is the lecture for class 6 subject English. Today we will do the exercise D and E, which belong to book page number 58, and these are listening and speaking and composition. And you will enjoy today's video as well, and this is your lecture number 10. Book page number 58, there is exercise D, that is listening and speaking, and that is very easy and easy exercise, and you will enjoy when you will do the same things as in question statement is asked, like a sentence in English always begins with the capital letter. Yes, every sentence in the English language we start with the capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. The comma breaks up a sentence into parts. The comma shows us that when to pause briefly. Our voice does not change when we arrive at a comma. At a full stop, we let our voice fall. फुल स्टॉप में हमारी जो वॉइस है वो गिर जाती है, यानी चेंज हो सकती है, ठीक है। लेकिन जो कॉमा होता है उसमें हमारी आवाज़ को चेंज नहीं होना होता, लेकिन वहाँ पे स्टॉप ज़रूर होती है, क्योंकि वो डिफ्रेंशिएट करती है चीज़ों को कि ये मुख्तलिफ है, ये मुख्तलिफ है। ओके, नाउ वी हैव क्वेश्चन, चूज़ एनी पैराग्राफ फ्राम द स्टोरी विद कॉमास एंड रीड इट अलाउड। रिमेंबर पाज ब्रीफली एट द कॉमा। जहाँ पे कॉमा आएगा वहाँ पे आपने ब्रीफली पॉज करना है, यानी रुकना है, वक़्फ़ करना है, ठीक है। चूज़ एनी पैराग्राफ फ्राम द स्टोरी, एनी पैराग्राफ स्टोरी से चूज़ करना है आपने। सो आई हैव चूज़ अ पैराग्राफ फ्राम बुक पेज नंबर 54, द टॉय बॉक्स। कम विद मी, ही सेड, going towards in golf bag in the hall. I think it's high time we have a good time at the old storerooms and call banker at the side of the house. I found an air vent in the wall, hidden behind the toy box. We will find out where it goes, and just in case, I am taking a golf club. So here are some commas there I have briefly paused. So you will do it like that in your home, at home, okay. Any paragraph you will select from the story, and then you will read it according to the question priority. After that we have the composition. Here, have you ever been really afraid? Describe an incident, journey और occasion during which you were afraid. क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कभी आप डर गए हो? How was the fear caused? तो फिर मतलब क्या आपने महसूस किया था? What effect did this have on your physical and mental state? सो ये आपने कंपोजिशन तैयार करनी है। आपने अपना कोई वाक़या, इंसिडेंट कोई भी छोटा सा हो तो उसको शेयर करना है और नोटबुक्स पे इसको लिखना है। योर राइटिंग शुड बी वेरी नीट, ओके। आई हैव अ सैम्पल फॉर यू फॉर इट। आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर माई अफ्रेड मोमेंट, ओके। सो here we have composition. I am going to share my afraid moment. There are lots of moments that we face fear in our childhood, especially we have a lot of childhood memories, how we became afraid and what is the reason behind it. So here is a composition that I have written. You will write it your own fear moment, okay. You will write your own fear moment, not this which I am going to share with you, but you can use some vocabularies and sentences from my Bible word, okay, my composition. So let's start. I have been afraid on quite a few occasions in my life, but the one I remember most vividly was when my cousins and aunts came to spend summer vacation with me. We all cousins lay down in a room on carpet, and the door of the room was opened. It means that there was summer vacations, and I was quite 12, 13 years old. Then we are all enjoyed, and we are all cousin laid in a same room on the carpets. and the door of the room was opened. What happened next? I was in a deep sleep, but suddenly I felt there was something on my toes, on my feet. I opened my eyes and there was all darkness. I opened my eyes and saw a cat who was licking my toes and looking like a big monster. When I saw the cat, I considered it that it's like a big monster. It is not a cat. So I became afraid and moved my toes with scream. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा डर लगा उस बिल्ली से, मुझे लगा कि पता नहीं कोई जिन है या कोई भूत है, अजीबोगरीब सी मखलूक है, तो फिर मैंने शोर मचा दिया। व्हेन आई वाज टू यंग, so the cat ran away towards upstairs and I was afraid, and that was the most terrifying moment of my life. So I have shared my terrifying moment of the life, and it's up to you. You will share with me and write it properly on your notebook. And now it's up to translation. So students, I hope you will enjoy when you will see my this video, and also uh, my sharing of childhood memory. So there is a translation. You will write these sentences on your notebook, and after that you will translate into English. These are very easy. Past continuous was verb plus ing form. अब्बू बाज़ार नहीं जा रहे थे। क्या उस्ताद पढ़ा रहा था? आलिया बच्चों को मार रही थी। बीटिंग होता है माना, बीट, BEAT, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा बीटिंग। दादा अब्बू नमाज अदा कर रहे थे। क्या आप सो रहे थे? So write these words, write these sentences on your notebooks, and after that you will translate it into English. After that you have sentences and vocabulary words. I am going to give you some vocabulary words with proper meaning, and then you will make your sentences with the help of the meanings. So first is confiscate. Confiscate, जब्त करना, किसी से चीज़ को छीन लेना, जब्त करना. So I have made a sentence for you because I know that is difficult for you. Confiscate, जब्त करना. Teacher confiscated my mobile in class. टीचर ने क्लास में मेरा मोबाइल जब्त कर लिया. क्लास में तो नहीं ना मोबाइल लेके जाते. So it is a sentence. You will make your own sentence if you have the proper meaning of the word. So you should have to learn first this vocabulary word with the meaning, and after that you will make the sentence. Okay. Knead the flour. आटा गूंदना. KNEAD, नीड द फ्लोर, आटा गूंदना. मे बी एंड परहैप्स, बोथ्स मीनिंग आर शायद, हो सकता है. मे बी शी वॉज राइट, दैट इज सेंटेंस. मे बी शी वॉज राइट, हो सकता है वो ठीक हो, या शायद वो ठीक हो. परहैप्स इज अ वर्ड ऑलवेज यूज्ड इन द रीडिंग. परहैप्स, शायद, हो सकता है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव गैब्ड. GABBED, गैब्ड. गैब्ड मीन्स बक करना या गपशप करना, जिसे हम कहते हैं बकवास कर रहा है. गैब्ड. Now these are your vocabulary words. You will learn it by heart. After that you will learn the meanings, and after that you will make the sentences on your notebooks. I have made one, but you can change it as well. Okay. So today is your diary is do translations. You will do the translation of this and make sentences, and you will make the sentences of these words and also learn vocabulary words. These are your vocabulary words, and solve exercise E, and also practice of exercise D, listening and speaking. Just to take one paragraph which with commas, and when you will read it, then you will give the short pause or briefly pause on the comma, or where the comma put on. Okay, Allah Hafiz.